My dear brothers and sisters, we will listen to these readings today carefully, attentively. We find the word love mentioned more than a dozen times, either explicitly or in action. In the gospel passage we heard today about Martha, Mary, and Joseph. Till 5 years back, the church celebrated only the feast of Saint Martha. It was in 2021, Pope Francis recognized that her other brothers and sisters also lived holy life and declared them as saints. So today we have the memorial of these Martha, Mary, and Joseph. When you look at their lives, they really lived holy lives filled with God's love and love for the other. And this love spilled over, so to say, to loving others who came at their doorsteps. And they had a closed relationship with Jesus. We hear that every time Jesus passed that way, he will drop in the house, and 3 of them will serve Jesus and the disciples in different ways. Martha will be busy in the kitchen serving food for him. Mary will be listening attentively, and Lazarus doing errand jobs. During the gospel we heard that after Lazarus died, Jesus went to their house to console them and to revive their faith in the resurrection. We heard Mary saying, I know that even my brother will rise again on the last day. Such was their faith. Faith in action, love and love in action. Gospel passage we heard today, John telling us about love. It says, we must love one another. Otherwise, we are not worthy to be called Christians. But love, God is love, and love flows into us from God. Therefore, we believe that God is love, we are lovable people. This love should flow into our lives and be able to form others filled with love. Look at the life of Ignatius. You find he was a loving person. He gave up everything and walked the path God showed to him and formed himself to be a man of honesty, integrity, and also formed others who were his companions, men of integrity. And he told his companions, go in the whole world and form men and women who live sincere, honest lives. We take today his inspiration and ask ourselves, are we loving people? Are we sincere people? Are we men and women of integrity?